Hello and welcome everyone, and in this video we're going to be reviewing and showing you how to use a Joby tripod. So this one is great for DSLR cameras and of course for small cameras as well. By small cameras what I mean is the following. Small camera right here, Canon, my favorite. What you do is you put this on here and you spin it around. Of course you have to fasten this up first. Of course we're going to go into the 10 different uses of this tripod in no particular order. First thing is that this tripod is very flexible. It's also very heavy. That's a good thing. The first thing that you actually can use it for, and it has this tool right over here, and you can use it to level when you take a picture. So that's number one. So you're going to make sure everything is straight. Of course this is totally useless because the new cameras have something built in like the lines, but it's not as accurate as this. So if you want to make sure something is totally leveled with the ground, that's what you use. Second use of this camera, not camera but the tripod, is to take amazing selfies with it. So what you do is you bend this over, and this is not easy to bend by the way, just like this, and now you can have a joystick, kind of a joystick, and that's the second use. That's how you take pictures. So you hold it like this and you walk around. Now make sure this is actually sticking out just like that. The reason for that is quite simple. If you're going to go and take pictures, you want to make sure that nobody bumps into you when you're doing photography. So that's the second use of this. Third use. Bend this over, and what we're going to be doing, this is quite an exercise by the way, is using it as a selfie stick. So what you're going to do is bend this over as much as you can, and just hold it in your hand and it becomes an instant selfie stick. That's number 3. So number four is, interestingly enough, is when you hold it like this, you don't have to do anything. Let's say somebody attacks you. Well, if it's a life and death situation, this could be used as a weapon. You can whack somebody with it. Of course that's totally against the recommendation that goes for the camera and for the equipment. You obviously are going to lose both, and you might even get arrested. So keep that in mind. Number 5, and kids, don't try this at home. Number 5, of course, is to put the legs just like that, as far away as you can. And what it does is, this is like the horseshoe, whatever position, whatever you call it, and you put it in its situation. I think that was number 5 actually. And there we go. Number 6, like that. Number 6 is if you want to take a picture of the sun or the sky or something up there. That's it. You just put it right on the ground and do it. Number 7. This one is, you take those arms right there and you hang it upside down on a tree. So you keep on doing it like this. Hang it on a tree or something else that's steady, and you can use it as a spy camera. Or you can spy on your neighbor. Or you can just make sure if somebody knocks on your door, you can take a selfies of yourself or someone else. Or, let's go to number 8. Number 8. This is number 8. Hang it totally straight, just like that. And you can use it as a boomerang stick. So for example, if somebody attacks you or you have to retrieve something, you just throw it away like this and it's gonna fly. Anyway, that's not the real reason. Anyway, when you go for number 8, which is you hang it like this, you can actually put it in interesting positions. In fact, if you have some kind of a ceiling tile or something from the top, you can put it like this, and it's just gonna hang if you have support for it. So that's number 8. Number 9. Number 9, what you're going to be doing is putting it like this. This is the upside down yoga bell kind of stick. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, this is number 9. So with number 9, what you're doing is you're putting it backwards like this, almost the same as previously, except you have all the legs pointing up. And now you can hang it anywhere you want. Or, even better, upside down hanging. There we go. Now you can take a picture upside down anywhere you want, and it's going to look kind of cool. And number 10 is just to sculpt it anywhere you actually want. You basically just go about and sculpt this in any way you want, and you can put it right over here. And now when you're going to places, instead of having just a Lego selfie camera and just walking around to places, you're going to have the camera right on you. So every time you go to the mall, you're going to be walking around just like this. Nobody knows that you are actually secretly filming everybody who walks by you. So everybody who passes by you, you're going to be just filming it. Oh, watch out for this thing. It's kind of dangerous. Walking around just like this and filming everybody as you walk around in the mall or anywhere you're going to go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and there is going to be a link right down below to this, which is the Joby Gorilla. And by the way, this is excellent exercise. If you are not really strong, this is going to make your hands strong. And if it's not going to make your hands strong, you'll be totally sorry that you bought this, because this takes a workout to move it around. Anyway, just kidding. If you do move it a lot, eventually it's going to unhinge itself and it's going to become a lot more easier for you to move. If you don't move it for a while, it's going to be pretty sturdy for you to move around. So once you grow some muscles, get this item, and it's time for me to go to the mall and start videotaping my own selfies. I mean movies or whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button right below, the post notifications on so you cannot miss any other video of any more reviews. And to top it off, make sure you always subscribe to this channel. Now, what do I think of this? I think it's awesome. I have it. I bought it for money. I love it. I use it for a lot of different purposes, including videography purposes as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.